Once upon a time, in a cozy burrow beneath a tall oak tree, there lived a curious rabbit named Rosie. Rosie had soft, white fur and big, floppy ears. She loved hopping through the meadows and exploring the woods. One sunny morning, while exploring, Rosie found a shiny, colorful egg hidden among the bushes. She gently cradled it in her paws and decided to care for it. Rosie kept the egg warm, and after a few days, it cracked open, revealing a tiny, chirping bird. Rosie and the little bird became fast friends. They played games, shared stories, and explored the world together. Rosie's heart swelled with happiness as their friendship grew stronger. As the seasons changed, Rosie and her bird friend continued to enjoy their adventures, teaching each other about the beauty of the forest. Rosie had discovered that sometimes, the most wonderful surprises could be found when you least expected them.